Maybe you should share with your sister. She wants to play with it too.
No.
Could you give the ball to Evie? Honey, that's not fair. She can't crawl. Evie, what do you think of all this? Aunt Ev, what are you thinking of all that stuff? You ask for a ball, your sister throws it away.